Leading supplier of cable management solutions, Marshall-Tufflex, has strengthened its underfloor to desk offering with a new collection of power and data modules, as well as improvements across the range. The launch further underpins the company's commitment to offering a wide choice of excellent, robust products for its customers. Marshall-Tufflex has expanded its underfloor to desk range with a new collection of power and data modules. This new range includes standard power modules, USB charge points, data outlets and RCBO units in various configurations to cater for a wide variety of installation requirements and layouts. The range is available with VLAN GST 18.3 connectors and plugs, or with 20mm knockouts to enable on-site hard wiring. Also available in a new 6-gang version. Committed to providing the best possible solutions for its customers, the company has also implemented a number of product improvements to strengthen the entire underfloor to desk range. This includes upgrades to its raised floor boxes, such as a new tougher trim for increased durability in areas with heavier traffic. Additional knockouts in the base for improved data cabling access have also been incorporated, as well as new data connections to meet higher data cable specifications. RCD switched sockets have also been updated in line with the latest product standards, and a new 4-compartment version is now available. Finally, to improve installation times and convenience, MT32 floor boxes are now available pre-wired, with MT32 connectors and fitted with the updated RCD sockets. John Chamberlain, Commercial Director at Marshall-Tufflex, says, "We have responded to customer feedback regarding requirements on site and developed our products to meet changing standards, product requirements and improve installation time. We pride ourselves on the quality of our products, and we will continue to put our customers first when it comes to innovation and development." For more information on the range, the Underfloor to Desk brochure has been updated with all the new products and designs. To view, please visit www.marshall-tufflex.com. This Product News Item podcast has been produced in association with the BusinessNet Explorer Product News and Information channel. The full story for the item can be found using the search facility at www.businessnetexplorer.com. Just type the brand you are looking for into the search, then click on their logo to reach their profile page. This includes links to all of their latest product news items published in B&E Product News.